In this video, I'll be going over how to do keyword research for your blog. So let's get straight into it. So first of all, identify something specific. So if you've got a fitness type of website, let's just say you're trying to promote protein or pre-workout there, that's something specific. Let's say you've got a tech type of blog and you promote graphics cards. Let's take graphics cards as an example. So graphics card, and you want to tick prepositions, and the tool I'm using is Keyword King. So if you download Easy SEO extension, go on Keyword King, you can use this tool. So just put in graphics card and tick prepositions, and this will give you a bunch of ideas. So graphics card comparison, graphics card for laptop, graphics card for test, so you can test different types of graphics cards, graphics card for gaming, graphics card fan not spinning, so that's a problem you can solve. Let's keep going, and it goes over the different prepositions. So this says can, for, is, near, to, with. So graphics card with 16 gigs of RAM, graphics card with 4 HDMI ports, so people are looking for products here. Graphics card without 6-pin connector. Graphics card under 500, so I'm assuming $500 since this is a US search here. So you can get a bunch of ideas. So that's the first thing you're going to want to do. Go through prepositions. Now, let's just say you want to promote some Amazon products or whichever affiliate you're going for. You want to do best X for Y. So best X for Y. So your X will be the product. So let's just go with a different example this time. Let's say protein powder for, and we'll just take out the Y. So best protein powder for, and in this case we'll just do A to Z. So it gives a bunch of stuff. So it goes from all the way from A all the way down to Z here. So can you add protein powder to Jello? So that's a good one. Let's see how many websites are targeting that. So only one website is targeting this term. So let's take a look at it. So it doesn't really look like anyone's tackling this. Maybe this one, maybe these two, but you can still get on there if Reddit's on there. So let's go for another example. Best protein powder for fatty liver, best protein powder for energy. So you can go through all these and you can see the competition here in terms of AllinTitle results, and you can do a bulk type of results. So you can just click this and it'll load all of these down, and then you can sort them from lowest to highest and do your research regarding that using AllinTitle as your starting point. So I'm going to stop this. Another way you can find keywords is by simply going to your Google Search Console and see what's already working. So for example, so we're here at Google Search Console, and we could just go to search results, queries, and you'll get a list of things that are already working. So clicks sorted from highest to lowest. So will Febreze kill a wasp? Can Febreze kill wasps? Can you use pine sol on quartz countertop? That's an interesting one. So let's take that here. Can you use pine sol on quartz countertop? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it into this tool. So can you use pine sol on quartz countertop? So instead of that, I'm going to replace pine sol with the star symbol and see what the tool comes up with. Okay, so can you use Windex on quartz countertop? Can you use Clorox wipes on quartz countertops? So there's a bunch of ideas we took from getting a keyword from your Google Search Console and then putting it in here to see what else you can do. So that previous one, pine sol one, was already working for that website, so there's a good chance that these will also work for this particular website. So that's a very easy and straightforward way to do keyword research. Now, another thing you could do is simply go to Wikipedia or Reddit or Quora to get some keyword ideas. So in this example, I went to Quora.com. I typed in protein powder. This is the example I'll be using. Clicked on questions and see what people are asking. So what is the best protein powder? Are protein powders safe? Which is the best protein powder for gain muscle mass? So do I need protein powder to gain muscle? So there's a bunch of questions that you can find and answer on your website. So what are some of the healthiest protein powder choices? So that seems like a pretty good one. So the same thing you can apply with Reddit. So go to reddit.com, type in protein powder, and we got a bunch of questions. What to look for when buying protein powder. So that's a great guide to create if your websites are promoting protein powders. Best vegan protein powder. Now, I went to Wikipedia. I simply typed in protein powder here. Protein powder. Hit search. And there's a bunch of stuff. So one of the things you're going to want to look for is links and bolded terms. So dietary supplement. So that's another thing you go into because protein powder is a dietary supplement. Bodybuilding supplement, protein bar. So you might want to talk about something like that. So this is more doing niche research. Amino acids. You could expand into that. So this is another way to expand your keywords. Now we're back in Google Search Console. Another thing you can do is find questions inside of Google Search Console. Now you don't have to manually do that, that's a pain in the butt. So instead go to search results, queries, click on new, click on query, click on this drop down here, custom regex, and you want to paste this in. So this is a bunch of stuff. So who, what, where, when, why, how, was, did, do, is, are, aren't, won't, and a bunch of stuff. And these are going to help you find those question types of keywords. I'll leave this in the description. So, can Febreze kill wasps? How to get wax off quartz counter. Can Febreze kill bugs? How to remove wax from quartz countertop. So you might want to go back and answer these questions if you haven't already, or maybe you want to improve on them, or they could possibly be new blog posts as well. Now, let's say you want to find low competition types of keywords. What do? Well, you can use this get AllinTitle feature, which will basically show you the number of search results that have the AllinTitle search operator. So how many people are specifically targeting this type of keyword. Now, this isn't 100% the most effective way because of semantic search. However, I found it after my 8 years of being an SEO, I find this to be the best starting point to find low competition keywords. So let's get all the AllinTitle results and I'll be back. Okay, we're back. We got a bunch of AllinTitle results. So can use baby wipes and quartz countertop, 0 search results. So let's just check this out. Sorry, 0 AllinTitle results. How to clean and care for your quartz countertops. So baby wipes are a fantastic way. So it does answer this. So again, you'll have to do your bit of research. Let's go to a different one. Let's check out. There was a different one that I found. Yep. Can you use car polish on quartz countertops? So let's take a look. So this one, after cleaning the surface quartz countertop, we should use the car wax or furniture wax to coat it. But it's only a LinkedIn post. You can definitely outrank it if you've actually got a kitchen type of blog. So how to polish quartz countertops. Let's see if it mentions anything about car wax. Nope, nothing about car wax. So you can definitely get on the first page of Google. So you can use this to find some really low competition keywords. So I've just done something so basic but revealed so much, and it took me literally just 2 minutes. And that's it. that's how you do keyword research for your blog. Those are different methods, and this is a way for you to get some really easy to rank for keywords, and you don't need to build backlinks for these types of keywords you want to rank for.